Hello everyone. We are going to start new topic, anatomical description of esophagus. The esophagus is the part of digestive system. The digestive system is the 30 feet long tube-like structure from the mouth to the anus. The digestive system are divided into two parts. First, main part or digest tract, also called is the alimentary canal, including the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach and small or large intestine. Second, accessory organ or organ of digestion, including tongue, teeth, salivary gland, gallbladder, liver and pancreas. Esophagus, it is a muscular tube extending from the pharynx to the stomach. It is about 25 centimeter long and provides passage for chewed food and liquid during the third stage of deglutition. Part of esophagus. Esophagus is divided into three parts. First, cervical part, second, thoracic part and third, abdominal part. Cervical part is 4 centimeter long, thoracic part is 20 centimeter long and abdominal part is 1 centimeter long. Width are 2 centimeter. Lumen of the esophagus, it is flattened anteroposteriorly. It begins as continuation of pharynx at cricoid cartilage and end in the cardiac orifice of the stomach. Level of vertebra from the 6th cervical vertebra to the 11th thoracic vertebra. Course of the esophagus. The esophagus begins in the neck at the lower border of the cricoid cartilage at the level of 6th cervical vertebra. Then descends in front of the vertebral column, passes through superior and posterior mediastinum and then pierce diaphragm at the level of 10th thoracic vertebra and ultimately end in the abdomen at the cardiac orifice of the stomach at the level of 11th thoracic vertebra. Curvature of the esophagus. First, anteroposterior curvature follows the curvature of cervical and thoracic vertebrae, and second, lateral curvature. After beginning, it inclines to left up to the root of neck, mean near the root of neck, left side deviated. Second, laterally curvature is at the level of 7th thoracic vertebra. The esophagus deviate to the left. Constrictions of the esophagus. First constriction at the pharyngoesophageal junction, 6 inch from the incisor teeth, where it is crossed by the cricopharyngeal muscle. And second constrictions, where it is crossed by the arch of aorta from the 9 inch of the incisor teeth. Third constriction, 11 inch from the incisor teeth, where it is crossed by the left principal bronchus. And fourth constrictions, 15 inch from the incisor teeth, where it pierces the diaphragm. Next, relation of the esophagus according to part of the esophagus, mean first cervical, thoracic and abdominal. First, cervical part relations. Anterior, posterior, right, left related structures are there. First, anteriorly related structures, trachea, right and left recurrent laryngeal nerve. Posteriorly, 6th and 7th cervical vertebrae, longus colli muscle, deep cervical fascia. Laterally, lateral lobe of thyroid gland, common carotids, thoracic duct. Next, Relation of the thoracic part. Anteriorly, trachea, arch of aorta, left principal bronchus, right pulmonary artery, pericardium. Posteriorly related structures are thoracic part of vertebral column, longus colli muscle, right posterior intercostal vessel, thoracic duct, azygous vein, descending thoracic aorta. And right side, right related structures are right lung and pleura, azygous vein. Left related structures are arch of aorta, left subclavian artery, thoracic duct, left vagus nerve, left lung and pleura. Relation of abdominal part. Structures are anteriorly related, left lobe of liver, anterior vagal trunk. Posteriorly related structures are posterior vagal trunk, left crus of diaphragm, left inferior phrenic artery. Blood supply of the esophagus. In cervical part of the esophagus is supplied by the inferior thyroid artery. Inferior thyroid artery is the branch of thyrocervical trunk. This is thyrocervical trunk, and this one inferior thyroid artery. Cervical part of esophagus is supplied by the thyroid artery branch of the thyrocervical trunk. And thoracic part of the esophagus is supplied by the esophageal branch of the descending thoracic aorta. And abdominal part of the esophagus is supplied by the left gastric artery branch of the celiac trunk. Next, venous drainage. Cervical part of the esophagus is drained by the brachiocephalic vein, and thoracic part of the esophagus is drained by the azygous vein, and abdominal part of the esophagus is drained by the left gastric vein, and some small veins drain into the hemiazygous vein. Next, lymphatic drainage. In cervical part of the esophagus, lymph drained by the deep cervical lymph nodes. Second, thoracic part, lymph drain into posterior mediastinal lymph nodes, and abdominal part lymph drained by the left gastric lymph node. Next, nerve supply. Esophagus is supplied by the parasympathetic and sympathetic nerve. Sympathetic nerve, upper half part of the esophagus, is supplied by the middle cervical ganglion, and lower half part of the esophagus is supplied by the fourth thoracic sympathetic ganglion. And parasympathetic nerve, upper half part of the esophagus, supplied by the recurrent laryngeal nerve, and lower half part of esophagus is supplied by the esophageal plexus, which is formed by the vagus nerve.